look amazing.
Thank you.
I mean, TC told me to meet you here, but I wasn't expecting you to... I mean, I'm glad that, you...
It's okay. TC's a little off, but he's good people.
Yeah, definitely.
I had some stuff about you in my head that was wrong. TC set me straight. I'm sorry I've been ghosting you.
It's all good. Apology accepted. But, you know you could have just called, right?
I could have, but I'm glad we have some alone time. Seems like something is always interrupting us.
Damn. You got this whole place for us?
I would take credit for this, but TC had the hookup.
Well, I'm not trying to say I'm impressed, but I'm impressed.
I wasn't trying to impress you, but you should be.
I'm glad you came out. I've been feeling you for a minute.
Me too.